first thing you want to do when you're making the 808, the main thing it's all about is this. So we're going to do it this way today. Create a little pitch, bend upwards, go on matrix, LFO1 and global, and it's main tuning on SERUM 2. Go downwards. And that gives it that sort of wailing sound. It's just going down 2 or 3 semitones. And then if I select the sine wave, put random down, bit of release. And as you can see, getting a pretty basic but quite good 808. You can add a bit of the distortion, sounds good. I've been putting this to 50% so the sub comes through. And that's perfectly good 808, but to take it one step further, in the multi LB, a bit more mid energy, you can roll it back or you can have it. Okay. So then you can just roll it back to add the sub in as well. I'll get rid of it. It's probably better. Save that one. These will be going in the Patreon, coming in April. Mono. And then if I double it up, and it'll give me an AB to work with. Get that there. Copy that across. But this time let's try the FM, so we'll get another. Let's try this icon kick, because if we FM it, but we'll use PD, not FM. Cool, now these this area here, I do want to add some cool stuff, so let's go in here. First of all, I'm going to try this crazy granular. Something like this. And a bit of tension maybe. Okay, maybe we'll just stick to bits of this. Maybe some of this back. And then we could use a bit of the drum fill. Remember, these are all free samples, guys, links below. Try this one. And then a quick way, if you've got some audio you're working with and you want to get it more in time, turn it off warp. And then what I do is, if you change the pitch, can you see how it changes? If you just watch it visually and match it visually, it's a really quick way. So that's the fast version, but also see see I've just matched it up to the size. So listen. So it's just giving it that crazy foley, maybe a bit too intense, but gives it a bit of interest. And I just want to get some hats on there. Push them down, and let's try some little machine gun hats like this. Do Command and J, get rid of this, and then I can do that. That's quite a nice one. Cut these bases out. Let's give it a listen. Cool. Okay, I'm just gonna get a little kick drum. Just gonna shorten it. Okay, and then I'm gonna go for this, Command and D. Cool, and then we're gonna get the rim. This one I'm going to make it a bit shorter, just so it's a bit of an AB. Cool. Let's get some shakers in. I'm going to shorten them. Cool. And then bit of stereo imagery, because we want the kick to be the focal point of the whole track. So that kick's going to be here. Above that you've got the rim. I'm going to put the wider on it, just to spread it a bit. And then we can put the wider on these shakers as well, put it even wider than that. Cool, now we can tune these. That's nice, and then I'm going to use SERUM 2 now, because this video is all about the 808s. And I'm going to layer in the note exactly where the kicks are. E flat I'm going for.